Yesterday we visited the grave of Timothy L. Biggs at Larkin Cemetery. Timothy was born July the 27th, 1946, and died October 28th, 1946. He was the son of Winifred Beatrice Zorns and Joseph Biggs. When we came across Timothy's headstone, we noticed it was covered in a green mold and green algae. We applied D2 antibiologic solution to help break up that biological growth and cut some of the grass away from the surface. We used soft wooden skewers to remove any material that was in the lettering. And as you can see, the D2 worked great. And a little bit of water, a little bit of sunlight, and the headstone was starting to look like new again. We noticed that it was really low to the ground, so we made a foundation stone and brought it back today and placed it underneath the original to keep it from sinking into the ground. We also applied a purpose-built epoxy to affix the two pieces together.